What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. 2Bit Crypto here. Time to talk about XRP. Now, a lot of people have been wondering why it's not moving, and at the same time, we've seen a pretty big correction in the overall global market, but is this the opportunity that we needed? Is this going to ignite the next big leg up? Well, we're going to break down a couple of things in this video, some big movements of XRP, as well as a milestone hit and a pretty big achievement in that. All of that in this video. So if you're bullish on XRP, you want to see more content like this, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And with that being said, let's take a look at exactly what's going on in the global cryptocurrency market right now. So we said a pretty heavy correction. You see Bitcoin there, $41,176. And our market cap at 1.55 trillion. So that's actually down about $40 billion in the last 24 hours. So a significant sell-off, over $300 million worth of liquidations coming in today. Now, XRP is sitting around 61.93, down about 6.5%. That actually has come back up a little bit. It was as bad as 9% at one point. Look at that volume though, $2.2 billion, which just shows exactly the correction the market's had. Now, it's not necessarily the worst thing in the world. We've talked about this a number of times. Build consolidation at a newer high, ready for the next big push. Now, the problem we have got with XRP to a degree is it never quite got the same push as the rest of the market. But what's going on in the background? Well, in this, a surprising turn of events, a massive transfer of 22.8 million XRP tokens, about $14 million, were moved from an undisclosed wallet to Bitstamp, one of the crypto market's oldest exchanges. The mysterious wallet created just this January has a track record of multiple transactions involving both Bitstamp and Mexican exchange Bitso. Intriguingly, both platforms share a common thread. They are avid users of Ripple's services, particularly the Ripple payment service, and boast a long-standing collaboration with the renewed crypto company. Now, we don't know exactly what it is. It's a significant amount of XRP being moved into an exchange, whether that was then sold off, but you've got to think of it in the context of what we had, $2.2 billion worth of volume. Well, within that 14.9 million is neither here nor there. It's not going to significantly change it. Now, is this going to be some more partnerships? Is this further to build out on XRPL? That we will kind of never know, but ultimately we do know as part of that sell-off, and it's the same thing with every kind of cryptocurrency, they have big sell-offs. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean it's the end of the world, and actually when you get news like this, it definitely still makes you wonder why XRP truly isn't starting to move significantly. But XRP officially listed on blockchain.com. Now, you might be thinking, well, what does that mean? Why is that important? Well, blockchain.com, ultimately one of the oldest kind of and most popular crypto asset storage platforms, has officially listed XRP in its supported digital currency. So they have their own trading wallet. Here it is, the only crypto wallet you'll ever need, where they have a number of assets now of which you can use it for XRP. And this just shows more adoption. This shows that, you know, given everything going on with the SEC, a desire from many other parts to have XRP as part of their platform. That just shows you, in my view, what's coming in the future. And the announcement follows a trend of growing acceptance for XRP on the crypto market, especially since the landmark July 13th ruling by Judge Torres, which declared the XRP was not a security. And we've talked a number of times just exactly what that is. More importantly, though, these massive partnerships that are coming in the background, and it could just be another part of the puzzle using blockchain.com, the oldest, some would argue probably the best to a degree, and that's why maybe XRP is now listed on there. Again, these build out of partnerships and ensuring that when the financial markets do come, Ripple is poised to deliver on what is expected. And that's why a lot of analysts are expecting a XRP price movement. So the crypto analyst who goes by Ripple Van Winkle on his YouTube channel XRP right now believes the influx of institutional money combined with XRP's deflationary properties could exponentially increase the price. Now, as always, you have to take this with a pinch of salt, but ultimately, what is the view here? Well, the view is that we could see a significant price increase. All linked back to this institutional money. As I say, in the analysis view, the influx of institutional money and XRP's unique role as a bridge currency and deflationary properties could drive the price exponentially higher. He outlines a hypothetical scenario where banks and institutional liquidity providers panic buy XRP, wiping out order books on exchanges. Now, this doesn't sound as crazy as you may well think at first glance. Ultimately, if this is going to be used to move massive amounts of money cross-border, remember we talked about this the other day, then they have to have a substantial amount of liquidity to be able to do it. What is it? also gives the banks the narrative of how much XRP is worth, ultimately therefore cutting down on the amount they have, and more importantly, and not that we want to hear this, the fact that retail will not be able to have their hands on it. So the analyst argues that banks will not use the public exchanges and retail XRP trading to transfer money, as commonly believed. Instead, he sees the future where large banks such as Bank of America create private XRP-based ledgers and derivative coins for tracking balances and transfers. XRP would serve as a bridge between these bank coins and institutional liquidity providers. And here's the thing, we already know Bank of America, HSBC, as well as a massive real estate business in Hong Kong, is also using XRP. They have a massive partnership with Uphold and much more. So everything right now with XRP is set to make a massive difference, but more importantly, to accept that institutional money. And I think that's where everyone gets excited with what is coming. So when we take a look at the price, what's going on? Well, there's the BTC price. You can see this massive dip that we got today. XRP, unfortunately, not any other. And then again, we got the big buy, the reversal on there as we come down. Very bearish right now on the 1 hour chart, albeit a small move to the upside. If we go to the 4 hour, you can see just how big that spike down was. Now, we do have a reverse signal, potentially kind of seeing a little bit more push down, but if we can break back above this trend line, we may have a chance up, bounce, and then maybe send to the upside if we get some positive news. Remember, CPI coming tomorrow. Prediction is it's going to come slightly hot, which could push the market down a little bit further. I don't think we break 40k. A lot of people don't think we break 40k, but it is a rough day, albeit still in a substantial upward trend for the overall cryptocurrency market. XRP not quite with us at the same time. However, building in the background, getting ready for a move, and a lot of people are expecting some pretty big things coming from XRP. So as ever though, let me know in the comments, what do you think of XRP? Do you think we are coiled ready for a big move, or do you think we're just going to continue this consolidation around the 62 cents minutes? I'm always interested to know your thoughts. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything going on. Smash a like on your way out, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye.